Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor gear reviews. Today, we're diving into the KingCamp Oversized Camping Folding Chair, hailed as one of the top choices for portable camp chairs. Whether you're lounging by the lake or gathering around the campfire, this chair promises comfort and durability like no other. Let's start with what makes the KingCamp chair stand out. It's designed with luxury and comfort in mind, featuring a slanted back for excellent support to your back and shoulders. The fully padded seat ensures a soft yet firm feel, perfect for those long evenings under the stars. This chair is built tough with thick Q195 steel tubing, making it more sturdy than competitors. The crisscross bracket structure enhances stability, supporting up to 353 pounds effortlessly. The oversized seat, 23.6 inches wide, provides ample space to stretch out, while the 600D Oxford fabric ensures durability against tears and abrasions. The thoughtful design extends to its aluminum flat armrests, which aid in easy entry and exit. A built-in cooler bag keeps your beverages chilled, and a convenient top pocket offers storage for small items and support for your neck and head. Ease of transport is key for any outdoor enthusiast. The KingCamp chair folds down in seconds without needing assembly, packing neatly into a carry bag that's compact and lightweight at just 11.2 pounds. Ideal for packing into your car trunk or carrying to your favorite campsite. To wrap it up, the KingCamp Oversized Camping Folding Chair is not just a chair, it's a companion for your outdoor adventures. With its robust construction, luxurious comfort, and thoughtful design, it's no wonder this chair is highly rated among campers. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating experience, this chair definitely deserves a spot on your gear list. Thank you for watching our review of the KingCamp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top-rated outdoor products. Until next time, happy camping from Product Critique.